Surrounded by River Yarra and the shores of Port Phillip Bay, the student living on campus student accommodation in Melbourne is a pearl in the shell waiting to be occupied. Make yourself at home in the fully self-contained studio apartments at Student Living on Campus, where each apartment is thoughtfully designed with your comfort in mind, featuring cozy beds, ample storage space, modern furniture, and a convenient kitchenette. Some apartments even boast Juliet balconies, adding an extra touch of charm to your student life. But it's not just about your personal space. Student Living on Campus offers a range of fantastic communal amenities. Whether you want to relax in the common area, have some fun at the games booth, take care of your laundry, or enjoy the breathtaking city skyline from the outdoor terrace, you'll find everything you need right at your fingertips. Located in the heart of Melbourne's educational hub, Student Living on Campus offers close proximity to the RMIT campus precinct, University of Melbourne, and the lively Legum Street. And when it's time to unwind, hop on a bus and head to the breathtaking Port Melbourne Beach. Wrapped in comfort and surrounded by natural beauty, Student Living on Campus is an opportunity that you don't want to miss. So don't hesitate. Book this dream accommodation today via amberstudent.com.